Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're diving into the life and career of one of the biggest names in drag racing, Robert Hight. Curious about the sport? This video is for you. So let's get started. Robert Hight is a force to be reckoned with in the world of drag racing. Born on August 20th, 1969 in California, Robert's journey into the world of racing started at a young age. But it wasn't just racing that captured his attention. He also worked as a crew member before eventually getting behind the wheel. Before he became one of the top drivers in the National Hot Rod Association, or NHRA, Hight started his career as a crew member for some big names in racing. But as they say, sometimes you have to take the wheel yourself to truly shine. Robert made his mark as a professional driver in 2005. When he competed in the funny car category, and it didn't take long for him to make an impression. In his very first year, Hight claimed the NHRA Rookie of the Year title, showcasing his raw talent and determination. But that was just the beginning. Over the years, Robert Hight's career exploded with success. He's won multiple NHRA championships, including his first funny car championship in 2009, and has remained one of the sport's elite drivers. His wins didn't just stop there. He became a dominant force, earning numerous titles and accolades that solidified his place in NHRA history. Behind the wheel of his incredible Chevrolet Camaro, Hight competes in some of the most intense drag races around the world. Funny car racing is all about precision, speed, and mental toughness, and Robert Hight has it all. With his calm demeanor and razor-sharp focus, he has been able to push himself and his team to the top again and again. But it's not just about the victories. Robert Hight's story is also about teamwork, loyalty, and passion for the sport. He's known for his relationship with legendary team owner John Force, who has mentored him over the years. Together, they've created an incredible racing dynasty. Outside of racing, Robert Hight lives a full life. He's married to Adria Hight, and their bond shows just how important family is to him. Even with a demanding racing schedule, Robert has found a balance between his professional career and his personal life. Robert Hight's dedication to the sport of drag racing is truly inspiring. His career continues to be a testament to hard work, perseverance, and passion. Whether he's tearing down the strip at lightning speed or sharing his story with fans, he's a true ambassador of the sport. So there you have it. Robert Hight, one of drag racing's biggest stars and a legend in the making. His journey from crew member to champion is a story of determination and drive that continues to inspire the next generation of racers. If you're a fan of high-speed action and relentless competition, keep an eye on Robert Hight. His future in NHRA looks brighter than ever. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories on your favorite athletes and legends. See you next time.